Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Alright, today we're talking about coordinate geometry, and in particular, what are ordered pairs? Okay, so first, let's go through some basics. Here is our coordinate plane, or our graph. Okay, and we have four quadrants, as we call them. Okay, and the way we label our quadrants is a little weird. This is quadrant number 1, but we label it as a Roman numeral symbol for 1, which is right there. For quadrant number 2, we actually come in this direction and use the Roman numeral symbol for 2 in quadrant 2. And here's 3. And again, that's the Roman numeral symbol for 3. And 4 is actually 1 before 5. This is the Roman numeral symbol for 5. So we have quadrant 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is 1 before 5. That's how it works. And now, for an ordered pair is talking about a number that looks like this. It could be 7, 2. Okay? Now let's graph 7, 2 on this graph here. Okay? For 7, the first number, that is our x value. And 2, that's going to be our y value. But first we need to figure out which is the x-axis and which is the y-axis. Okay, so our x-axis is going to be this one. It's going to be the horizontal axis. And our y is always going to be the vertical one. So for 0.72, I first need to go 7 down the x-axis in the positive direction, because 7 right here is positive. I'm going to go 7 down, and then I go 2 up. So there's my point, 7, 2. Okay, let's look at a different one. Let's say -3, 4. Okay, so my first number is my x point, my second number is my y value, as always. So I have a -3. I'm going to come to the negative side of the x-axis, because this spot right here is called the origin, and that's the point 0, 0. So everything starts from here. Now we're just going to think of it just like a number line. We're going back to -3. -3 is right there. Now I need to think of this as a number line, and I need to go up to 4. Well, that's there. And now we need to find the point that intersects between here and here. And that spot right there is my point, -3, 4. Okay. Now let's look for this point. Let's say 2, -4. Again, my x is first, my y is second. 2, I come over to 2 on my number line, or on my axis. And now I need to go to a -4, which is going to be down here. So this is the point, 2, -4. Alright, so I got a point there, I got a point there, I got a point there. Let's put one in here. And to do that, my x number has to be negative, and my y number has to be negative. So let's say I'm looking for the point -4, -5. Okay, come down to -4, because I go x first, and then go to y. So I come down to -4, and then I need to find where that intersects with -5, and there it is. So -4, -5. Alright, I hope that helped.